Okay, first I want to say I have very little grades as we speak. I have enough that I'm able to pluck. Sometimes you have too many and you cannot pluck them. So everybody cannot pluck, but I'm just showing you when I always have like some right here, maybe like about three or four, and then some in this part right here. I already took it out, and I just go in, I just pluck it, and like I say, I always make sure I only take out a lot. You ain't pull out a whole bunch of hair because, like I said, I don't have a whole bunch of grades, but I am not ready to gray yet. You know, some people ready to gray, but I am not ready to gray. So I don't want to gray. And this is what I do every now and then, like probably about maybe like every few months, whenever I see it, to be honest with you, I just take a little plucker and just pull it. And you'll be so amazed, guys. These grays ain't no punk. Like they don't want to come out. They are crucial. They are tight. These grays, they got a mind their own. They do what they want to do. So just go in slowly. Like I said, you shouldn't have a whole bunch. This is for the people that has just a little. And if you do got a lot, what you can do is use a dry erase marker. Believe it or not, it looks really good. And you don't got to worry about when you scratch it getting in your hair, or you also can use mascara. But I am not ready for the grays, so I just wanted to show you what I do to pluck them out with a plucker. What do you do for your grays? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.